What's up, you guys? Welcome back to Redline Rehab. My name is Tim. This is my 2021 Dodge Charger Hellcat Red Eye wide body. And today I'm going to be showing you what's probably one of the easiest, most simple modifications you can do to your car. And that will be how to install a door puddle light. Now, before I get into the install, which is like the easiest thing ever, I did buy some puddle lights for my doors last year. They looked pretty cool. I bought them off Amazon. I thought they were high quality. Come to find out, they are trash. So I'm going to show you what the Amazon ones look like versus these new ones, which are incredible. They are extremely bright and detailed. So hopefully if you're looking to get some puddle lights for your car, you can buy it from a good company that's going to really make them bright and detailed. So let me show you the differences now between what I had and what I have now. So I moved the ones that I had in the front of the car to the back of the door here. And so you could see there's the Hellcat. You know, it looks pretty sweet. It's actually not very super bright though. So when you check out these new ones that I got, I mean, look at the difference here. That is so much brighter, so much more detailed. Yeah, this one doesn't have the red eye, but this one is so much more dim than these new ones. How cool is that? So these new puddle lights that I got, they come from RVP Supply. I'll put this contact information in the description, but this is the little box that you get that have the door LED puddle lights. Let me show you those. So this is what they look like. And it is the easiest install, really. All you need is a flathead screwdriver, and I'm going to show you how you pop these out of your door, how you install them, and off to the races you go. Now, as you saw, I've already got the new ones from TikTok installed in the front, driver, and passenger doors, but I wanted to have them on all 4 doors. So when you order these, you can order just 2 or you can order 4 for all the doors. But let me show you how easy this is. So here is the puddle light. It's just this plastic piece, little flathead screwdriver. You just get it into the corner and it literally just pops out like that. Seriously, that easy. And then there's a little clip up here at the top that you push in, and then you just pull it out just like that. Just simply plug the new one in like so, and you just tuck it back up, clips in just like that. So now, got the front door, have the rear door. Oh, they look so good. And then once again, reference to the other ones. I mean, hardly see it, right? So the ones I got off TikTok, definitely higher quality. So I'm gonna get this one replaced. All right, and there you go. Got all 4 doors done. Got the low glow, underglow kit on, which is a great kit, by the way. Yeah. Pretty sweet. So if you want to order these higher quality ones, seriously, go get on TikTok, look up RVP Supply. I'm not affiliated with them, by the way. I just like to share good products with people because it's exactly what I would want as well. But they have a bunch of different kinds of door puddle lights as well. Some are Hellcats without the red eye. Some say SRT. I believe they've got some Scat Pack stuff, 392 stuff, puddle lights. So get on there, pick what you want, get it installed. It's a little thing, kind of chintzy, maybe a little ricey. I don't know, but I think they look pretty cool. And when you open the doors, it's like, yeah, cool. So I imagine as well, any kind of door puddle light, even though it may not be the exact same install, it's going to be pretty similar to this one. So I hope this video was helpful to some of you guys. It's super easy to do. Now, I do have some more modifications coming our way for the red eye. One of them is in this box back here, which I'm way excited for. And then we've also got some power modifications coming to the beast of a motor here. So if you haven't already, please hit the like, subscribe button, and we'll see you guys next time.